Namaste, welcome to Sis Rekha's Kitchen. Today I am making Purslane chutney. Purslane chutney is not only tasty, it is very healthy. It has a lot of nutrients. Any chutney with greens is super healthy. So I try to make chutneys with different greens. I already posted fenugreek leaves chutney, mint chutney and some other. So please watch those also. I will give you the links below. First of all, I am frying about 10 red chilies in the oil. When they are fried, I transfer them into another bowl. In the same oil, I added 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and 4 to 5 garlic cloves. Stir them continuously. When they are almost fried, add 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds and fry them. When you add sesame seeds to the chutney, you are not just adding the taste, you are adding more nutrients too. When everything is fried, transfer them into another bowl. Now into the same oil, add the purslane. I chopped up the purslane finely so it doesn't take too long to cook. Add more oil if you need. Stir it well. Cover it and cook it for a few minutes. While the purslane is cooking, I am going to grind these spices with some salt. Check the purslane. If it is cooked well, you can turn off the stove and let it cool down. Take a half lime size tamarind and put it on the cooked purslane. Here you can see I ground coriander seeds, cumin seeds, fenugreek seeds, sesame seeds and garlic with some salt. When the purslane is cooled off, take it into the food processor and grind it. I like to add some raw garlic to this chutney, so I added 2 to 3 garlic cloves while I am grinding the purslane, but if you don't like it, you can leave it out. Here is my ground purslane. Let us make the tempering. Take 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil in a pan and heat it on medium heat. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of urad dal, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 chopped up red chilies, a pinch of hing and curry leaves. Now switch off the flame and add the ground purslane to the tempering. Now add our ground spices also and give it a good mix. Now look at this, it is turning into a delicious chutney. Sesame seeds give a very good taste for this, and also the tamarind. I added a little bit of tamarind because it is not very sour like gongura. Purslane has a little sourness, but it is not good enough for the chutney. So that's why I added some tamarind also. Now the chutney is very tasty with a little bit of sourness like gongura chutney. Coriander seeds and cumin seeds, they added very nice aroma, and of course it is very tasty. This purslane chutney can be eaten with chapati or rice. It is also good for idli and dosa. Thank you all for watching my videos. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and share with your friends. Please watch my other chutney recipes also. I will give the links below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and watch my Telugu channel also for more healthy recipes.